In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to connect .NET Console application to PostgreSQL Database using dotConnect for PostgreSQL. You have the option to choose between a free trial and the full version. The free trial lasts 30 days, providing access to all features. It's not for commercial use and doesn't require a license key. To begin, simply download the installer from the dvart website and install it. If you decide to buy the full version, your activation key can be found in the dvart customer portal. To get started, you'll first need to create a new console application project in Visual Studio. Before we start coding, let's take a quick look at some data from the database. Right-click on Data Connections, then select Add Connection. Input your connection properties and click Test Connection to confirm that everything is set up properly. Keep in mind that the dotConnect data provider supports other connection methods too, like SSH, proxy, and more, offering you greater flexibility. Once the connection is live, expand the database to see all the available tables. For example, let's open the tables to inspect its fields. You can retrieve data from the tables to review the structure of the data. Next up, let's get the necessary components. Right-click on the Solution Explorer, then select the NuGet Package Manager. Search dvart data, PostgreSQL, and click Install. Your project is ready to work. In our case, we'll configure the project by replacing the default code with a pre-written script that checks the connection to your database. The video's description includes an example of this code. In this script, we'll set up the connection string, which includes essential details such as the server, port, user ID, and password. After setting up the connection string, we will run the application to ensure everything is working correctly. By executing the code, the console window will display the result, indicating whether the connection to the database has been successful. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Feel free to share the video with anyone who might benefit from it.